Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how you can pick colors from an image in CorelDraw, a designing program. So let's say, you want to have some colors from an image. And then you pick the color and then you put it into your palettes that you can use to color your shapes later on. All you have to do is to click on a tool called this, which is Color Eyedropper Tool. Let's say if we want to pick this shade of pink, for example, and then this is the shade, and then you can add to palette, which is this. Palettes is the file of is the palette for this section on the right side panel. And then we can pick another color, for example this shade of blue, and then we can click on add to palette. This palettes, which is this one, 2 colors have been selected, and then you can select more actually. Then you can continuously do it so that you get the color that you want from this image, just like so. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can choose colors from an image for your palettes in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao! Colors will be generated here.